What's up, you guys, and welcome to the channel. And today we're fishing at Palmersville next to Badin Lake. Right now, summertime, tough fishing, a lot of boat traffic, and we're gonna do some traditional fishing versus live scoping to see which one pans out better, especially in the summer months. So stay in tune, and we'll see you on the water. There it is. Yes. That's a bunch of little bass. First fish of the day. Got one little swim bait. There he is. Oh, spinner bait. There we go. Spinner bait. Spinner bait fish. There we go. That's a good spinner bait fish. All right. That's cool. There you go, it's a little spinner bait. There we go. Oop, coming off. There we go. That spinner bait. Mama.
That though?
Yeah, man. Shallow, huh? Yeah. There we go. Yeah. It's affiliated. I don't know what the heck they are. I do see a couple fish right here. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, it's a bass. They're bass. There's two. There's a bunch of them. Zillow, there's a bunch of them. Yeah, just right there. It's a good one. It's bass. I knew it. There's another one that came up too. No, I got him. That's a good one. Look, look. Oh yeah. All right, they're on that hump. There we go. That's a good one. Yeah, it's got to be perch or something. Oh, bass, bass, you're a bass. Hey, feel cast over here. 10,000 bass over here. Yeah, right there. Yeah, just let it drop. Yep. Oh, man. All right, let's try to focus on some. I got a towel too to keep cold. Come on, be bass. Oh yes, come on, chase it. Chase it. Chase it. He got it. He got it. Got him, bass.
Oh, nice.
Yep. Yes, good one. I saw him.
Nice.
What'd you say, Daddy?
That's a cheating machine.
I know. That's why I was like, dude, it should not be allowed in tournaments.
That's a good one.
I saw him and I was like, oh, it's be a bass, be a bass. He turned up and he ate it. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Mau. Oh, bass ah. You know yung bass ah. Yeah, bass ah. Tại chuyện gì lụ luôn rồi sao? Bass ah. Lột trứng. Mẫu bass. Yeah. No. Bass ah. Let's go bass ah. Ah. Lord. 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 That's what. Come on.
Yeah. Like tomorrow.
Yeah.
Like tomorrow. Yeah.
That's a good one.
So,
That's a good one.
Oh my goodness. This is not.
This is probably the one that's sitting on the ledge.
yeah.
You guys might have hooked him like a bunch of times.
Oh, they're still here. See, they're still here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, that's where I threw it to, actually.
Yeah, they're still here. Got a picture? Yeah. Oh yeah, they're still down here.
Does he have the jig in his mouth?
It's like deep in his mouth. So.
Got him.
You got it too?
Yeah, I think it's a perch though. Good sized
That's
perch.
a big perch, actually.
Yeah. I guess we'll fish right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got a decent sized perch.
He's got it.
Dang. Good job, good job. Oh, you just,
What is that, double up?
you just,
Läser ni vad jig jag har?
Oh.
Yeah.
oh, no, it's not in there.
Oh, it's not in
Yeah,
there?
it's not in there.
Oh.
It flew off
Oh,
somewhere.
yeah, there it is.
Okay, all right.
Nice.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
There you go. Nice. Let's get some more. Get some bigger ones. Big ones too. Oh, something's coming to eat yours. Something's coming to eat it. When you jerked it and it fell, one came all the way up. I thought he was about to eat it. Oh yeah.
Oh, nice.
Is it the bass or is it a...
Nah, I think it's a perch. Or is it a bass?
It's kind of good, actually.
Oh, two big perch.
2?
Yeah. All right, you guys, that's the end of the episode for the traditional fishing versus Livescope. And man, it's super hot out there on these summer months. And we did catch some fish, traditional fishing with spinner baits and bass jigs. We caught a couple good ones. However, Livescoping caught the better fish. A lot of those offshore fish, and a lot of fish were on ledges and humps. And we're able to catch them with little swim baits and jig head minnows. So overall, it was a pretty fun trip, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time.